Three signs that a girl likes you, but she's probably just
toying with you. At the end of the day, Kings, don't lose sight of who you are, because at the end of the day, the good men get thrown away, especially if you're too nice. Don't ever be too nice, because you're going to get chewed up, spit out, and thrown away. And don't forget, most women always have 15 dudes holding their golden ticket to Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, just waiting for you to slip up. Also, keep in mind that not every woman is bad, because there's a lot of amazing women out there. But some of them, they're for the streets. They get passed around like a blunt at a cookout. So, like Bonnie Blue at a movie set, if you know what I'm saying. So keep up with your integrity, be a good man, work hard, take care of your family, and you are what you attract. So you don't chase, you attract, and you attract who you are, and who you are defines the man that you are. But I do hope that we all find our special person. I'm one of those people that believe in love. I'm a hopeless romantic, and some people will be like, yeah, okay, or all. No, it's true. This advice isn't even from a bitter place. It's from a lesson learned, and it's better to learn from the lesson once than to learn from it over and over again, because trust me, you don't want that.